Over time, exposure to the elements can leave your gas grill rusty and aged. If you're looking to restore it or just give it a fresh look, painting can make all the difference. And when it comes to a unique custom look, nothing beats engine paint. In this video, we'll show you how to bring your grill back to life with KBS Coatings RustSeal and Motor Coater. So why engine paint? Engine paint is designed for extreme heat, making it perfect for gas grills. Unlike high-temperature paints like KBS Coatings XTC, which require heat curing, Motor Coater cures at room temperature. This is ideal for large grills where heat curing can be difficult. To get the best results, we recommend using two KBS Coatings products together, RustSeal and Motor Coater. First, we have RustSeal. This high-performance moisture-cured coating forms a durable barrier to stop and prevent rust, even in humid environments. It can handle the high temperatures of a gas grill, making it ideal for priming your grill, both inside and out. Then we apply Motor Coater, which is a tough and beautiful finish that can withstand the heat and wear of a grill. It's available in both aerosol and cam forms, so you can choose how you want to apply it. Now let's walk through the steps to properly paint your gas grill. Step 1. Surface preparation. First, clean the grill thoroughly. Use a cleaner like KBS Clean, which removes grease, dirt, and grime without leaving adhesion-hindering residue. Mix clean with warm water and scrub the surface with a brush or sponge. Rinse well and dry. Instructions for KBS Clean can be found on the KBS website. Next, if your grill has rust or peeling paint, use a wire brush or 320 grit sandpaper to remove it. After sanding, clean the area again and ensure it's dust-free. Now lightly scuff the surface with a Scotch-Brite pad or 600 grit sandpaper. This ensures optimal adhesion of the RustSeal. To prep metal for RustSeal, apply KBS Rust Blast. It dissolves rust and etches the surface for improved RustSeal adhesion. Spray and let Rust Blast sit for 30 minutes to 2 hours depending on amount of rust to be removed. Keep wet and scrub intermittently, then rinse and dry. A white powdery residue will remain. That's fine, it shouldn't be wiped off. Instructions for Rust Blast can be found on the KBS website. Step 2. Applying RustSeal. While Motor Coater is used on the exterior surfaces of a gas grill, you may not choose to paint the interior. However, if you skip painting the interior, it's important to still apply RustSeal to stop and prevent any rust formation. Keep in mind, RustSeal isn't recommended as a final finish for surfaces regularly exposed to sunlight, as UV exposure can affect color and sheen, so it's necessary to top coat RustSeal that will regularly see the sun. For best results, apply RustSeal on temperatures between 55 and 82 degrees Fahrenheit and only in moderate to dry conditions, as its moisture-cured formula can cure too quickly in rain or high humidity. RustSeal can be applied by a brush, roller, or spray equipment. Stir RustSeal thoroughly using a paint paddle, making sure to lift and mix from the bottom of the can to the top. Apply a minimum of 2 thin, even coats. For proper curing, apply multiple thin coats instead of fewer thick ones. When using a brush or roller, apply and move on immediately instead of repeatedly brushing. This prevents solvents from being forced out, ensuring proper flow, and avoiding premature curing and visible brush marks. Under normal conditions, the workpiece can be handled after 1 day with full cure achieved in at least 7 days. Instructions for RustSeal can be found on the KBS website. Now it's time for Motor Coater. Apply Motor Coater when the RustSeal is dry to the touch, or let the RustSeal cure for 24 hours, then scuff with 320 grit sandpaper. Let's start with Motor Coater aerosol. For best results, apply Motor Coater aerosol when the surface and air temperature are between 60 and 78 degrees Fahrenheit and with humidity of 70% or lower. Shake the can for at least 1 minute after the mixing ball has started to rattle. Hold the can 8 to 12 inches from the surface and apply in light and even overlapping strokes. For proper curing, it's important to apply multiple thin coats rather than fewer thick coats. 4 thin covering coats typically provide proper coverage. However, additional light and even coats can be applied as needed. Full cure is usually achieved within 24 hours. Guidelines for applying Motor Coater in can version. For best results, apply in temperatures between 55 and 82 degrees Fahrenheit in only in moderate to dry conditions. Can Motor Coater can be applied with a bristle brush, foam roller, or spray equipment. Stir Motor Coater thoroughly using a paint paddle, making sure to lift and mix from the bottom of the can to the top. Apply at least 2 thin, even coats. As always, for proper curing, apply multiple thin coats instead of fewer thick coats. When using a brush or roller, apply and move on quickly to avoid repeatedly brushing the same area. This helps maintain proper flow, prevents solvents from being forced out, and avoids premature curing and visible brush marks. When using spray equipment, use of a siphon gun or a gravity gun is recommended. When spraying, thinning is generally not required, but if needed, 5 to 10% is normally adequate. Use KBS No. 1 thinner or xylene only, which have slow evaporating solvents. For the best cosmetic finish, we always recommend spraying metallic colors. Average cure time for motor coater is 2 to 4 hours. However, depending on humidity and temperature levels, dry times may vary. Instructions for motor coater can be found on the KBS website. Painting your gas grill is a rewarding DIY project that not only restores its appearance but also protects it from the elements. By using KBS Coating's RustSeal and motor coater, you can ensure your grill stays looking great for years to come. Now you're ready to tackle this project and enjoy a grill that not only cooks great, but looks great too. KBS products are proudly made in the USA.